Due to an increase of 50% in the price of eggs, 4 eggs are available for 24. The present rate of eggs per dozen is, see this, suppose for 100 rupees, if the price is any one price, kg price is 25 rupees, any one item kg is 25, then for 100 rupees how many kgs will get? 4 kgs. Suppose if the price is reduced to 20, then how many kgs will get? 5. Means 100 by 20 minus 100 by 25 will get 5 minus 4, 1. Means in the denominator, numerator is same. Denominator, if it is least, will give highest number. If the denominator is highest, will give the least number. So now you understood the process. Okay, so let us see this. The price is reduced by 5 so that a person is enabled to purchase 1 kg more. Or otherwise, if it is 20 and the price is increased, the person is able to price 1 kg less. Okay, that type of question it is. We'll see that. Due to an increase of 50% in price, so let the price, initial price is 100x, then increase price will be 150x, and 150% increase. In this price of x, 4x are less are available for 24 rupees. Means a man spent 24 rupees. Initially he spent 100x, now increased 150x, so that 4x are less. This is total amount. By each amount will give quantity. So now what is common here? 24 by 50x is common. 24 by 50x is common. If I remove that, then it becomes 1 by 2x, sorry, 1 by x, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 4. Now transpose 50x to the right hand side. Bring that 4 to the left hand side. 24 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 6, which is equal to 50x. Now 4 ones 4, 6. 6 1, 6 get cancelled. So 1 is equal to 50x. Now actually we need what? The present rate of x per dozen is. Present rate is what? 150. So into 3. 3 is equal to 150x. 1 kg egg is 3 rupees. Sorry, 1 egg is 3 rupees. The present rate of egg is 3 rupees. Dozen eggs will be 3 into 12, which is 36 rupees. Next question. A boy who was asked to find 3 1 by 2%, 3 1 by 2% can be written as 7 by 2% of a sum of money. We don't know how much it is. Misread the question and found 5 1 by 2 of it. 5 1 by 2% will be 11 by 2%. His answer was 220. Means this 5 and half means 11 by 2 is 220 given. 11 by 2 is 220. What would have been the correct answer? 3 1 by 2 is what? Means 7 by 2% is what they are asking. A boy was asked to find 3 1 by 2 percentage. Original was 3 1 by 2, but he mistakenly found 5 1 by 2 and he got 220. If it is 3 1 by 2, what they are asking? 7 by 2 by 11 by 2 into 220. 2 and 2 get cancelled. 11 20s. 140. A shelf has 4 by 5 of the books of the number of books that shelf B has. If 25% of the books in A are transferred to B and then 25% of the books from B are transferred to A, Then the percentage of the total number of books that are available that A will have is, okay, shelf A is having 4 by 5th of the books of shelf B. Well, let A by B, it becomes 4 by 5. Just take a big number, means now 25% of this, it is difficult to calculate. So we'll take 80, means A is equal to 80 and B is equal to 100. I multiplied by 20 by 20. Now, if 25% of the books in A are transferred to B, 25% of this is 1/4 value 20. Means now A become 60 and B become 120. Then, and 25% of the books from B are then transferred to A. Then means now 120. In this 25% will be 1/4 of that, 30. 30 if it is given here, it becomes 90 and B also become 90. Now, then the percentage of the total number of books that A will have is, A is having now out of, my A plus B is 180 into 100. 91s, 92s, 50%. Next. An epidemic broke out in a village in which 5% of the population died. Of the remaining 20% fled out of panic. If the present population is 4,655, then the population of the village originally was. An epidemic broke out in a village in which 5% population died. Okay, so let X is the initial. 5% of the population died. Now left with 95 by 100. Of the remaining means 95, 20% of the fled out of panic, 20% left, then what is left? 80 by 100. This is equal, if the present population is 4655, then 5 19s, 5 20s, 24s, 25s, 4 1s, 4 5s. So X is equal to 4655 into 25 by 19. How many times? 19 2s 38. 8 common, 85. 19 4 76. 95, 95s. My number 245 and 25. See, other than 5, these both are even numbers. Now see how to multiply them. 24 and 2. 24 2 is 48 plus average of 24 and 2. 24 plus 2 is 26 by 2 is 13. And every time if both are even numbers or both are odd numbers, 25 at the last. So now 6125 is our answer. The population of a town is 9,000. 9,000. If the number of males increases by 5% and females increase by 5% and males by 7.5, what will be the total population after increase? The number of females currently is 3,000. Okay, so this is females plus males. Females is 3,000. Then males will be 6,000. Okay, females increases by 5%. What is 10% of this? 300. What is 5% is 150. It becomes 3150. Then females. Now males 7.5%. 7.5%. Males by 7.5 means into 107 by 100. 2 zeros got cancelled. Now multiply. 6 5 is 30. 0.3. 6 ones 42 plus 3 5. 6 zeros 4. 6 1 4 5. One more time. 6 5 is 30. Already 0 is there. So 0.6 ones 42 plus 3 45. 4 645. 645 multiplied by 10, 6450. Now the total number is 3150 0 0 5 9500. 4 plus 1 plus carry 9600. Then next, the government reduced the price of sugar by 10%. By this say, consumer can buy 6.2 kg more for 837 rupees. The reduced price per sugar is 837 by 10% means it should be 90x. Means original must be 837 by 100x is equal to 6.2 kg. Now in this common is 837 by 10x. Then 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 6.2. Transpose 10x to the right hand side. 837 by 6.2 into 90. 10 minus 9 1 is equal to 10x. Now see, in this 90 1 0 if you give here, it becomes 62. 837 by 62 into 1 by 9 is equal to 10x. Now by 9 how many times it goes? 9 9s 81, 9 3s. Now 31 2s, 31 3s, 3 by 2. So 10x is equal to 3 by 2. But they are asking 3 by 2 is what? 1.5 is equal to 10x. But they are asking original price, reduced price. Reduced price means 90x. So both the sides multiply by 9, it gives 90x. 90x is equal to 9 into 1.5 is 13.5. Hope you understood.